Today we are going to discuss about method of preparation of amines, that is reduction of nitro compound, ammonolysis of alkyl halide, reduction of nitriles, reduction of amides, Gabriel's phthalimide synthesis, and Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. Methods of preparation of amines. Amines are prepared by the following methods. First, reduction of nitro compounds. Aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds are reduced to corresponding amines by using lithium aluminium hydride. For example, RNO2 react with lithium aluminium hydride and convert into RNH2, that is aliphatic amine. Second, by using passing hydrogen gas in the presence of finely divided nickel, palladium or platinum. For example, nitrobenzene react with H2 plus Pd in presence of ethanol gives aniline, that is aromatic amine. Next, by using metals in acidic medium, tin plus HCl, zinc plus HCl, iron plus HCl. For example, CH3CH2NO2 react with tin plus HCl and gives CH3CH2NH2, and another example is nitrobenzene react with tin plus HCl or iron plus HCl gives aniline. For preparation of amines from nitro compounds, why is reduction with iron scrap and HCl preferred? Answer: reduction with iron scrap and hydrochloric acid is preferred because FeCl2 formed gets hydrolyzed to release hydrochloric acid during the reaction. Thus, only a small amount of hydrochloric acid is required to initiate the reaction. The second method of preparation of amines, that is ammonolysis of alkyl halide. An alkyl or benzyl halide undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions on reaction with ammonia in an ethanolic solution. In this reaction, the halogen atom is replaced by an amino group. This process of cleavage of the carbon-halogen bond by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at 373. For example, NH3 molecule react with Rx and gives RNH2, that is primary amine. Primary amine react with R-X and gives secondary amine. Secondary amine react with R-X and gives tertiary amine. Tertiary amine react with R-X and gives quaternary ammonium salt. The primary amine thus obtained behaves as a nucleophile and can further react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines and finally quaternary ammonium salt. Ammonolysis has the disadvantage of yielding a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines and also a quaternary ammonium salt. When ammonia is used in excess, then primary amine is obtained as a major product, and when haloalkane is used in excess, then tertiary amine is obtained as a major product. How to convert ammonium salt into amines? Answer: the ammonium salt on treatment with a strong base gives free amines. For example, RNH3 plus X minus react with NaOH, that is strong base, gives RNH2, that is primary amine, and H2O and Na plus X minus. Next method of preparation, that is reduction of nitriles. The reduction of nitriles is carried out by catalytic hydrogenation or by lithium aluminium hydride to produce primary amines. Rc triple bond N alkane nitrile react with H2 plus nickel and gives RCH2NH2 alkanamine. The reduction of nitrile is very important reaction for increasing the length of carbon chain during the synthesis of amines from alkyl halide. For example, CH3CH2 C triple bond N react with H2 nickel and gives CH3CH2CH2NH2. Next preparation method of amines, that is reduction of amides. The amides on reduction with lithium aluminium hydride gives amines. For example, CH3CONH2 ethanamide react with lithium aluminium hydride followed by hydrolysis and gives CH3CH2NH2, that is ethanamine. Next method of preparation of amines is Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis. Gabriel synthesis is used for the preparation of primary amines. Thalamide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of thalamide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produce the corresponding primary amines. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the anion formed by thalamide. For example, thalamide react with potassium hydroxide and gives potassium salt of thalamide. In potassium salt of thalamide, nitrogen contain negative charge, so behave as nucleophile and react with alkyl halide, and R halogen bond cleavage take place and gives an alkyl thalamide. An alkyl thalamide react with NaOH and gives RNH2, that is aliphatic amine. Next method of preparation of amine, that is Hofmann bromide degradation reaction. When an aliphatic or aromatic amide is treated with solution of bromine in sodium hydroxide, a primary amine having one carbon less than the starting amide obtains. This is also known as Hofmann rearrangement reaction. For example, CH3C double bond O NH2, that is ethanamide, react with Br2 and NaOH gives CH3NH2 methanamine. Next example, benzamide react with Br2 in presence of NaOH gives aniline. So, flow chart of preparation method of amines. Preparation method of amines. First method of preparation of amines by reduction of nitro compound with the help of H2 plus palladium, platinum, nickel, that is catalytic hydrogenation, or lithium aluminium hydride, or tin plus HCl, or Fe plus HCl, or zinc plus HCl. Next method, ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Next method, by reduction of nitrile in presence of sodium mercury followed by ethanol, or H2 plus palladium platinum nickel, that is catalytic hydrogenation, or in presence of lithium aluminium hydride. Next preparation method, by reduction of amides in presence of lithium aluminium hydride. Next method, by Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis, and next method by Hofmann bromide degradation reaction.